Hello, how are you guys doing? Alright, today we're going to do another beauty box review, and this time we're doing Allure Beauty Box. Ta-da! Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box for $27.99, and you get 4 full-size items plus some travel size or sample item, roughly about total 7 items, and the value is around about $278. It's not my favorite box because I don't really like sample stuff. I like full-size stuff. So if I ever want to re-gift, it's better looking than just sample stuff. Okay, let's open this up, see if this is worth the money. Oh, upside down. Let's open this up now. Allure Beauty Box actually has a really beautiful little catalog right here. Give you more information about each product, their cost, the key benefit, the key ingredient, and what people talk about their product. Alright, so let's see if the November box is good. So as I opened, this is what I see so far. Not bad. I see some full-size item right here. That's really good. So I'm very excited about this. So the first item we have here, 111 Skin. And 111 Skin, I never actually bought their product. They're always in beauty box, so that's pretty nice. So this is the Rose Gold Radiant Booster, value for $130 for 20 ml. 20 ml, it's not even 1 ounce. Rose Gold Radiant Booster. So I think when they say rose gold, it really means the packaging is rose gold, because you can put rose gold in the ingredient. There's no such things like that. Is it? I don't think so. Let's just take a look. The packaging is beautiful though. I mean, the packaging is rose gold, but I don't even know how they can get away name the product Rose Gold Radiant Booster. It comes out this kind of pinkish looking treatment. You can see that. It's not fragrance free. Oh, it's a very perfuming. It's not bad, but it's definitely perfume in there. It's not like an essential oil scent, but it's not bad. It has a very nice texture to the skin, so I would definitely give it to a try. It's just absorbing almost immediately. But wow, $135 for 20 ml. That's a lot of money. Okay, let's see what's next item right here. Victor and Rolf, and they know for their Flower Bomb fragrance. I remember when they actually first launched Flower Bomb in Saks Fifth Avenue, like about 17 years old basically. So this is the newest fragrance, Good Fortune, and it says right here 3 ounce for $168, but this is a 1/4 ounce right here, so it's more like a deluxe miniature. Very pretty purplish looking colors, and it's a dapper. It's definitely an earthy winter scent. It's a warmer flower, jasmine, vanilla in there. It's a classic. I like it. It's really pretty, so this is nice. Better than getting a vial, that little one that you spritz on, you know. Okay, the next item right here. This item is by Colux, the brush bundle. $55 for 2. So let's see, this $55 for 2 is pretty expensive. It's a very interesting shape. You see this triangle shape like this. So what is this? So this is good for contouring, and a cream blush, and this is for the eye area to contour. So wow, it's a pretty unique design. I have not seen a brush design like this before. Pretty nice. And I like the handle. Handle is pretty nice, so that's good. Okay, let's see what else they have here. It's by Leracy cream highlighter in the color called Virtual. It's like that. Maybe I can try this right here. I have this here. So I'm going to just put this on here. So put this right here, let's see. Well, I think this color, it's really not doing anything. But I can see how easy it is to blend this to the skin. This color is not doing, is anything there? Oh, if I tap it on, it's better. It really fit nicely for contour area though. Okay, not bad. I was not impressed with the color though. Okay, let's see next item here right now. This is by, oh yay, L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream, and it's $30 for 5 ounce. But this is not 5 ounce though. This is only 1 ounce. So yeah, it's a travel size. Right. Last item, it is by Natural Lab Tokyo Repair Treatment Hair Mask. and this is supposed to help to detangle and make your hair smoother and softer. This is the travel size. It's 1 ounce. Their full size is 6.7 ounce for $17, and this is the 1 ounce. So I think the Allure Beauty box is amazing today. Not too bad. Again, you know, I mean, even though I'm very confused with the rose gold treatment when there's no rose gold in the product, it's just the packaging. But that's fine, I will definitely try this. And I love BoxyCharm for the hand treatments. I definitely use that. Good Fortune smells really wonderful. It's perfect for holiday season. And the interesting contour brush, not bad. Don't care for the cream blush because it's not the right color for me. But overall, I think it's not bad at all. So what do you think about this month's Allure Beauty Box? Do you think it's worth the money? I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the day and the time I release my video. I would love it if you can also check out my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. I launched Yibu Beauty about 2 years ago, and we are so excited to share with you that we are launching our second collection for Yibu Beauty. It's called Enchant To Bloom. This collection is designed for anyone who has a very stressful life, and especially during the holiday. How can you not be so stressed, right? So our product, it blends of the rose and sweet orange essential oil. It's designed to help you and relaxes you. So when you apply Enchant To Bloom, the refining serum and refining moisturizer, you're gonna feel so calm and so relaxed. And with all the powerful ingredients in there like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, cocoa shea butter, and shea butter in there, all those ingredients work together and make your skin look fantastic for the next morning. So I can't wait for you to give it a try. We also have some holiday special on our website too. You can use my personal discount code STEVE15 to receive additional 15% off on our website. I really appreciate if you can check out my skincare brand. That will mean so much to me and our team at Yibu Beauty. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!